What's up guys, gdwarrior here again. I just wanted to show you guys, I just got my headlight cowl painted. It's finished, looks nice and fresh. Christok from the forum, he actually made this piece for me. Looks nice. It got those nice little 3D moldings in here. It's a one of a kind. There is a shop in Lithuania, or a guy in Lithuania who makes those cowls, but they don't look like that. They are also longer. I hated the longer look. It just is way too stretched for my taste. So Christok and I decided to shorten it by 3 inches and put those nice moldings in here. Looks beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like on the bike. Alright, here it is, installed on the bike. Looks fucking sweet, man. Gives a nice aggressive look. Yeah, looks fucking sweet. It's nice and short. This is how it looks like from the side. On the inside, I gotta adjust it a little bit more. This is side view. Yep, looks badass. Christok in the rswarrior phone can make it for you. I will hit him up if you want one. You can find him on the forum. See you guys. Bye.